Hey y'all, I'm Krista from Country K Dance, and today I'll be teaching Double D, which is a line dance choreographed by Trevor Thornton. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, improver level dance, no tags or restarts. I'm going to teach it to you 1/8 count at a time, so I'll turn around and let's get started. All right, to start the first 8 count of this dance, we are going to take a stomp to the right on 1, then a clap on 2, then we'll do a sailor step, but the last step is actually going to be a scuff. So we'll take the left foot behind, right foot transfers the weight, and then we're going to scuff with that left foot. So that happens on 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Okay? So if we put those together, it looks like this. Stomp, clap, sailor, scuff. And again to counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, now we're gonna do that same thing, but on the left, and no scuff at the end. So, left stomp, clap again. This time we'll do an actual sailor step, back on the right, transfer left, then step to the right. So again, that happens on 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is actually a step, not a scuff. That's the only difference between the 4 and the 8. So if we put that together with counts, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, let's do that 8 count one more time a little bit faster, and then we'll move on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, to start off on this second 8 count, we're actually gonna take the left foot forward, rock, recover back on the right. On the and count, we're gonna bring that left foot together. Then we're gonna do right foot back, rock, and recover on the left. So it's a rock, recover forward, and a rock, recover back, but there's an and count in the middle where you step together. So we rock forward on the left, rock back on the right. Again, a little bit faster with counts. We go 1, 2, and 3, 4. One more time. 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4. All right, after this, our right foot is free, and we're just gonna do 2 kickball changes. So kick with that right leg, put the right leg down, and then step onto the left, and repeat. Kick with the right leg, and ball change. And that's it for that 8 count. The kickball changes happen on 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So let's put that 8 count together. From the rock, recover on the left, 1, 2, and 3, 4, kick, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. All right, let's do it a little bit faster, and then we'll add on the first 8 count with it. Here we go. 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. All right, let's go ahead and put the first 2 8 counts together. Here we go, starting with the stomp on the right. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. All right, one more time, just a little bit faster, and we'll move on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. All right, to start off this third 8 count, we just did our kickball change. Weight should be in the left. Our right foot is gonna come forward with a rock recover. So we recover back on the left. Now we're gonna turn our body 1/4 to the right while we do a chassé or a triple step to the side. Right, left, right. Okay, so with counts, we did our kickball change. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now the last part of this 8 count is going to be another rock recover triple step, but we're gonna stay facing this wall. We're gonna do a cross rock. So this left foot, which should be free, is gonna cross over, and we're gonna recover back on the right, and then chassé to the left, or triple step to the left, left, right, left. So with counts, that whole 8 count is 1, 2, 3, and 4, cross, 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more time, a little bit faster before we add on all 3 8 counts. We did 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, before we finish this dance, let's put all 3 of those 8 counts together. Here we go. Starting with that stomp on the right. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Rock, recover, triple, rock, recover, triple. All right, this last 8 count is a straight 8 count, no and counts, so it's pretty simple. Technically, with where we left off, I'm facing this way, but in order for teaching purposes, I'll face this direction so you can see what my feet are doing, and then we'll turn to that direction and see what it looks like over there. All right, so we should have our weight in our left from the chassé to the left. That right foot is going to tap forward, then tap to the side, then flick back, and then step to the right. That is all with your right leg. Again, with counts, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Moving on, we bring that left foot behind, right foot out again, left foot cross in front, and then we unwind a full turn back where we started this 8 count on, which is actually your new wall. All right, so let's put that 8 count together a little bit faster. Here we go. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And one more time a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now that you've learned that last 8 count, let's go ahead and face this direction since this is where we left off before. So we did our chassé to the left. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you see how we're still facing this wall, and this is our new wall to restart. All right, that is it. That's the dance, and there's no tags or restarts. So let's go ahead and put all 4 8 counts together, and then I'll show it facing every single wall. And by then, you guys will be pros. Here we go, whole thing. 5, 6, 7, 8, stomp. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Forward, 1, 2, back, 3, 4. Kick, ball, change, rock, recover, triple, rock, recover, triple. Forward, side, flick, step, back, side, front, and unwind. All right, that is it all together. Let's go ahead and do it facing this wall. 5, 6, 7, 8, stomp, clap, sailor, scuff, stomp, clap, sailor, step, forward and back. Kick, ball, change, rock, recover, triple, rock, recover, triple. Forward, side, back, step, behind, side, cross, and turn. All right, now facing the back wall, here we go. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, that is it. That is the line dance Double D choreographed by Trevor Thornton to the song Cut 'Em All by Colt Ford. If you want the link to the demo or the step sheet, those will be linked in the description and probably right here. I think it's on this side. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.